So, hi guys, it's Vid from Vhtutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you a new sample package, my third one. Free download, and it's a Hardstyle sample package with some kicks, some Hardstyle sounds and some claps. First we are going to take a look at the kicks. Here we have about 26 kicks, Hardstyle kicks. You can listen to some of them. Yes. So it's a couple of more, and they sound really great in songs. I have tried them myself in some of my Hardstyle songs. Here's some claps you can use. Yeah, and some Hardstyle sound. Here's a kind of explosion that is very common in the Hardstyle songs. Here's some one. Here's some just random sounds. Here's that one. I think it's a EQ'd Hardstyle kick. So the link will be below in the description, and it would be really nice if you subscribe to my channel and like me on Facebook, Vhtutorial. So it's very supporting if you do that, because then I can continue uploading these videos and samples and stuff like that. So, bye guys.